Let us learn English. Hello students, today we are going to learn about conjunctions. So, what are conjunctions?
When we combine pair of sentences with the help of suitable words or phrases are called conjunctions or connectors.
Yes, so what are conjunctions? When we combine pair of sentences, दो से ज़्यादा sentences को जब हम जोड़ते हैं with the help of the suitable words like when, while, as, because, but, so many words are there which are used to join two sentences with the suitable words or the phrases are called conjunctions and they are also called connectors. Connectors means जोड़ने वाला. Okay बेटा?
Let us have some examples.
He cannot come because he was ill. Now here he cannot come. He was ill and because he is joining both the sentences.
I am not rich, but I will help you.
Now I am not rich. I will help you and both are joined with but. So here the condition is opposite. I am not rich but I will help you. परंतु मैं आपकी मदद करूँगा. Rakesh bought some vegetables and returned home. So both the conditions are joined. Rakesh bought some vegetables खरीदी and returned home और घर आ गया. So and is joining both the sentences.
I cannot eat because today is my fast.
So I cannot eat. Today is my fast. Both the sentences are being joined by the word because. So he is giving the reason. क्यों नहीं खा सकता? Because today is his fast. Today is my fast. He is saying that I am my fast. So okay, now you are understanding what I want to convey. When the two sentences are given and one word is joining both the sentences, then they are called connectors or conjunctions. Okay, beta. Now let us read about kind of connectors. Let us study the connectors of the time. What are the time of the connectors?
When, while, as, after, till, until, since, as soon as.
Now let us take up the example. Inform me when you return from Mumbai. तो कहता है you inform me when you return from the Mumbai. जब आप वहाँ से आ जाओ. Yes.
He played while his mother cooked his breakfast.
Yes. कब बनाया breakfast? कब खेला वो? When his mother cooked breakfast. So when word, while word, they are telling us about the time. Yes.
As she progressed in life, she became humble.
Now as is used here. As she progressed in life, जैसे उसने progress की life में, she became humble. Yes.
I went to bed after I had switched off the lights.
Yes, after switching off the lights, she went to bed. So कब गई bed में? After switching off the lights. Yes.
The parents didn't eat anything until the lost child was found.
Yes, now till or until is used कि जब तक उनका बच्चा नहीं मिला, the parents did not eat anything. उन्होंने कुछ नहीं खाया.
We have not heard from him since he became a magistrate.
Yes, we have not heard from him since he became a magistrate. तो जब से magistrate बना, we have not heard from him. Okay, beta. So now let us take the connector of addition. Yes.
And as well as, also, besides, moreover, to, and not only but also.
Yes, let us have some examples. I have visited France as well as Germany. ये France भी और Germany भी. I have visited both the places. Yes, next.
The clouds gathered and it began to rain.
Yes, cloud gathered and it began to rain. And is used here. Yes.
He lent me his car and also some money.
Yes, and is also again used here. Yes, next.
I was his friend, moreover, I was his guest.
Yes, moreover is used here. I was his friend, moreover, I was his guest.
I have no time to go there. Besides, it is raining.
Now, I have no time. I am not having any time. Besides, it is raining. Okay, so besides it has been used here.
He has knowledge. He has experience too.
Yes, he has knowledge. He has experience too. So both the things are. He is having both the things. So he is using too. Yes.
He is not only talkative but also selfish.
Yes, now two words have been used here. Not only but also. He is not only talkative. Talkative ही नहीं है, but he is selfish also. Okay. So both the words are used. So these were the connectors of the addition. Now let us see some connectors of the contrast. Yes.
But, yet, still, however,
Yes.
while, whereas, although, though, even though, in spite of, despite.
Despite, yes, I requested him, but I turned down my request. I requested him, but he turned down my request. मैंने उसे request किया, पर उसने क्या किया? Turn down कर दिया, contrast हो गया. Two statements are not agreeing with each other. He has failed, yet he will try. Again, fail हो गया है, but he is going to try again. Yet फिर भी. You have, yes.
You have ruined your health, still you have not stopped drinking.
Yes, what he is saying that you have ruined your health. Still, फिर भी, अभी भी, you have not stopped drinking. Yes.
She doesn't deserve any help. However, I will help her.
Yes, she doesn't deserve. उसको जरूरत वो deserve नहीं करती, उसके लायक नहीं है. However, I shall help her. फिर भी मैं उसकी मदद करूँगा. However, फिर भी, yes.
He has grown rich, while his brother has remained poor.
Yes, वो तो हो gaya rich, पर उसका brother रह गया poor. While से हमने यहाँ पे जोड़ा. बेटा.
Although, or even though she is ugly, she is very smart.
Now three words have been used here. Although, though, even though, you can use three words. She is ugly. She is very smart. Ugly hai, but she is very smart. Okay, so two contrasting situations are given here. Yes.
They came in spite of or despite a lot of difficulty.
Yes. की बजाय बहुत सारी difficulties की बजाय they came despite or in spite of. Okay, बेटा. Yes, let us have some examples of the cause and result. What are they, Anya?
As, because, since, because of, so, therefore, for, so that.
Yes. Can you read the examples?
Yes. As I didn't have his telephone number, I had to write to him.
So as has been used here for the cause of the result. Yes, next.
Our scheme failed because it was impracticable.
Yes, our scheme, it is scheme here, failed because it was impracticable. फेल हो गई क्योंकि वहाँ कोई practicability नहीं थी. Yes, next.
Since she had no money, she could not buy anything.
Yes, she could not buy because she was not having any money. So since has been used here, okay? Yes.
He is admired because of his good nature.
Why he is admired? Because of his good nature. So reason has been given and the word because has been used here. Yes.
There was no milk, so we had to go without tea.
Yes. Why would have we to go without tea? Because there was no milk, so we had to go without tea. So result is there. Why we had to go without tea? Because the milk was not there. Outcome is there. Result is there. So we had to go without tea. Yes.
It was Sunday. The shops therefore were closed.
Yes. Why the shops were closed? Because it was Sunday. So result is there. Therefore is used here. Yes.
I respect him for he is my teacher.
Yes. Why do you respect him? Because he is your teacher. So reason is there. Cause is there. For he is my teacher. Okay, yes, next.
He is so tired that he does not feel like working anymore.
Yes, why didn't he like working anymore? Why doesn't he feel like working anymore? Because he is tired. So result is there. He is so tired. Cause is there that he is tired and that he doesn't feel like working anymore. Result is there that he doesn't want to do the work anymore. Okay, beta. Now let us have some examples of the condition. Yes,
If, unless, provided.
yes. If it rains today, we cannot go. Now condition is given there. If it rains, अगर बारिश आई तो हम नहीं जाएंगे. Unless you stop smoking, you cannot improve your health. You cannot improve your health unless you are going to stop smoking. Okay, beta. So here, unless is used, condition is given here. I shall let you go provided that you promise to return early. So I shall let you go. मैं तुम्हें जाने दूंगा provided you promise to return early. क्योंकि इस शर्त पे कि you are going to return as early as possible. So provided has been used here. Condition is given here. Okay, let us see some examples of the purpose. Yes.
That, so that, in case, in order that.
Yes.
Parents bring up their children well that the later may rise in life.
Yes, parents bring up their children well that. Now that has been used here for the purpose ताकि वो the later may rise in life. ताकि children अपनी life में ऊपर उठ सकें. Yes.
He has reduced his diet so that he may reduce his weight.
So why he has reduced his diet? So that he may reduce the weight. So what is the purpose of reducing the diet? The purpose of reducing the diet is to reduce the weight. Okay, beta. Yes.
Please take an umbrella with you in case it rains.
Now, in case, please take the umbrella. Umbrella ले जाओ in case it rains. तो उसका पर्पस क्या है अम्ब्रेला का? कभी रेन ना हो जाए. So you have to use that umbrella. Okay.
He sowed good seeds in order that he might have a good crop.
So why he sowed good seeds? So that or in order that he might have a good crop. ताकि उसे अच्छी फसल मिल सके. Alright बेटा. Now let us have some more examples for comparison. Yes.
As, so, as,
Then.
and then.
Yes, and then she is as intelligent as her sister. How much intelligent she is? She is as intelligent as her sister. अपने sister जैसी intelligent है. Yes.
I am so active as you are.
Yes, I am active as you are. So as has been used for the comparison. Yes.
His voice is sweeter than his brother's.
Now his voice is sweeter from whose? Brothers. Okay. Yes. Alternative choices. When the choices are given to us. Or, either, or, neither, nor. Let us have some examples. Yes.
Return the book or pay its price.
Okay. Two sentences are there. Return the book, pay its price. Whether you return the book or pay the price. So, or choice has been given here. Alternate choice has been given to you. So, or word has been used here. Yes.
You are either foolish or you are pretending to be so.
Yes, what he is saying. You are either foolish, या तो तुम मूर्ख हो, और you are pretending to be so, या तुम दिखावा कर रहे हो मूर्ख होने का. Yes.
I am neither foolish nor am I pretending to be so.
No, he is answering that I am neither foolish, ना तो मैं foolish हूँ, nor I am pretending to be so, और ना ही दिखावा कर रहा हूँ. So either or, neither nor are also used as the connectors. Okay, beta. Now,
Particularizing,
yes.
namely, particularly, for example, in fact, notably, for instance.
So something special has been said anywhere. Particular things are given, or the examples are given, I lived in a town of Haryana, namely Faridabad. तो कौन से टाउन में रहे हरियाणा के? Namely Faridabad. So namely has been used here. Yes.
The question paper was difficult, particularly for the rural students.
So particularly word has been used here. The question paper was difficult for whom? For the particular type of the students, for the rural students. Okay.
A morning walk, for example, is the secret of his good health.
Yes. Example is given here. Secret of the good health is what? A morning walk. Yes.
Some students generally come late. Malvinder, for instance.
So example of the Malvinder has been given that some students come generally late. Who are they? They are some of them. One of them is Malvinder. Okay. Yes.
He is blaming me for his failure. In fact, he himself is responsible for it.
Yes. He is blaming me for his failure. अपने failure के लिए मुझे कह रहा है कि मेरे कारण से मैं fail हो गया, तुम्हारे कारण से. In fact, he himself is responsible. वास्तव में he himself is responsible for that. So in fact has been used here. Yes.
There are some good workers, notably the secretary of the workers.
Notably the secretary of the workers union. It is not union but union. Okay. Secretary of the worker. So notably word has been used for giving the example of good workers. Yes. Now let us have some examples of the place. Connectors of the place are
Where, wherever.
yes. I am ready to go wherever you brother lives. I am ready to go there. Okay, so where word has been used for the place. The dog went whenever its master did. So the dog went wherever its master did. जहाँ भी उसका मालिक उसे लेके गया, the dog went there. So these were the connectors, and we had some examples of the connectors. I hope all the connectors are clear to you, and they are the major part of the language learning. Is you can learn English with the help of the connectors, because they are the connecting words. They are joining our sentences and they are making a complete sense of the what we want to convey. Okay, beta.
So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe Erks Kalam Se.